This is how you get your Notion integration key so that you can add your Notion pages to Chip. In Notion, you can have different pages which also contain databases. Watch out because different databases can also be open as their own individual page. This is just the Notion convention. So to connect the page, you want to click into the three dots on the top right and click Connections and click Manage Connections. Then click Develop or Manage Integrations and open that new browser page. I'm going to click New Integration and call this my Chip demo key and select the associated workspace. And if I want, I can add a logo. I'll click Save and configure integration settings. Now I have my key, but it's not connected to any pages. This is called the Chip demo key integration. So now I'm going to go back to this page and hit refresh. And if I go to connections, I can search for Chip demo key and I can see that new integration I've just created. Click confirm. And then when I hover back over this connections, I can see that the active connection is Chip demo key. That means that this page is connected to my secret integration key. I'm going to grab the secret integration key now and bring it back into Chip. And once I click new source, Notion, I can paste that into the integration secret. And this will start gathering the different pages for me to use. If I click this, I can see that there are 60 items in that database. And I can see this drop down to view roughly what's inside and check that everything is okay. Once that's ready, I just click add source and it will start adding that to Chip.